Hey guys, in today's video I have for you my October Birchbox. There also may be a giveaway in today's video, so make sure you watch till the end. If all that interests you, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have for you my October Birchbox. This was one that I just finally decided to try. I'm pretty sure it's been around for like ever, and it's kind of the OG of subscription boxes, but I've never tried it, so I decided to give it a try. This is my second box from them, so without further ado, let's see what they put in this thing. Okay, guys, so here's their box. Super cute little box. They have really stellar packaging, great branding, loving the box. Let's see what's inside. Okie dokie. Love that they include a card which lets you know all of the information about the stuff included in your box. And it says, "Today I embrace what makes me beautifully unique and beautifully me." Yeah, definitely unique, that's for sure. Okay, so, they also give you a little preview of what's next. Didn't know that. All right, so let's see what's in this box. It looks like this on the inside, and if I take the tissue paper away, everything's just kind of tousled about. There you go. All right, let's just grab this first thing here, see what we got. This is a Cella, I guess. A Cello Lave Neutral eyeshadow palette. It's an eyeshadow palette. Why can't we just say that? Eyeshadow palette that's neutral. Great. All right, let's open this thing up and see what's inside. I don't even know if I mentioned on one of my the other video I did, but I definitely lost a nail. These nails are from Shein. They're extremely cheap. Don't buy their fake nails because they fall off like before they're supposed to. Okay. Ooh, this is pretty. It says Cella Hello Beautiful. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at these nice colors. Ooh, I really like this little palette. Let's swatcheroo this bad boy. Let's see what we got. I might give this... Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to give this one away or not now, guys. Oh, you can't see the brown. I am brown. Just lying. All right. Ooh, the shimmery colors are pretty. I don't even know if you guys are going to be able to see these because I am kind of dark, and I didn't do a really dark swatch. But I think they'll look good on my eyes, so... I'll either keep it or give it to my niece. We'll see how it goes. But that's not bad. Oh, sorry. Hello, Amber. It's an unboxing. They want to know how much it is. Okay, so the Cella eyeshadow palette is a full-size item, and it is $45 value. It says, "We love this warm neutral palette for fall." I thought it looked very fall. Try using the light matte all over your lid, the darker matte in the crease, and a shimmer from the inner corner of your eye outward. I love when they give me instructions because I clearly have no idea what I'm doing. That's always helpful. Okay, let's grab the next item in here. We have a Feather Balm Weightless Styler. Okay. I don't know what it styles. I mean, we style on your face, you style on your hair. What are you doing here? Oh, I have a card. Let's look at the card. Okay, great. So what is this? Orby. Here we go. Orb, maybe? Orb. I said Orby. I don't know. Why does the E have to be silent? Anyways, it's a Feather Balm Weightless Styler. And this, the full size is $42. This is not full size. It's 0.5 fluid ounces, and you know what? That probably wasn't a full-size palette either. Now that I think about it. It was cyan. Nonetheless, this styler's ultra-light formula soothes, hydrates, and adds shine without weighing hair down. So it says, this styler... okay, one more time, Amber. Normally I would put this in the bloopers, but we're going to go ahead and roll with this. So this styler's ultra-light formula soothes, hydrates, and adds shine without weighing hair down. That's how I should have read it the first time. Okay, so apply to damp hair, then style as usual. Awesome. I most likely will give this away to one of my nieces or something because this stuff never works on my hair. And anybody who watches my channel knows that 9 out of 10, you can't ever see a lot of my real hair because, you know, I wear hair pieces. Just saying. I don't need this for that. They're already pretty and ready to go. All right, so that's that item. Ooh, what do we have here? A Luxie brush. Okay, so my friend Mary loves these Luxie brushes. Super awesome. I know already that this brush is going to be super soft and super great, so I'm not going to take it out of here because I already have felt their brushes before, and they do feel really great. Ooh, almost lost my card. Okay, so this is a 243 Precision Blender brush in rose gold. The full size, is this the full size? I don't know. The brushes are pretty expensive. So it probably is $14 for just this brush. Just saying. I would never pay that. I don't think any brush is that fabulous, my opinion. And Mary feels the same way, but she does love their brushes. So, you know. So this shadow brush is especially great for precise blending at the crease of your eyelids. Try using a deeper eyeshadow shade in the crease of your lid to create a smoky eye look. It sounds easy enough, guys, but every time I go to do it, it just, like, never works. Awesome. All right, so this next thing I'm grabbing, we have a shampoo. It's a DD shampoo. It's a delicate daily shampoo for all hair types, allegedly. I guarantee you it's not for my hair type. But here it is. Very good. Let's give it a smell. It's not a strong smell. It smells fine. I mean, I'll give it a try, but honestly, most of these products, they claim to be for all hair types, but any person who has African American hair knows that that is not true. Just saying. All right, so we'll go ahead and do a quick read on this. The full size of this shampoo is $29. The one they sent to me is 2.5 fluid ounces. This shampoo is gentle enough for daily use and leaves hair feeling light and shiny. Work into wet hair to create a soft lather, then rinse thoroughly. So they just told me how to use shampoo. I guess I didn't have to read that to you guys because most of us know how to do that. Yeah, I will definitely give this a try, but I guarantee it won't do wonders for my texture of hair, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we have a couple more items in here. Ooh, dinky tiny. Kiehl's Dermatologist Solutions Powerful Strength, Line Reducing, and Dark Circle Diminishing Vitamin C Eye Serum. Boom! Boom, shakalaka. That was like a lot, just saying. For this little thing, this is 0.1 fluid ounce, so clearly this is a sample size, but I'm totally down to get rid of dark circles, wrinkles, anti-aging, all that kind of stuff. All right, let's take a quick look at this. So this is a powerful strength dark circle reducing vitamin eye serum. The full size version of this guy is $50. Uniquely formulated for the eye area, this potent eye cream for dark circles and puffiness helps visibly smooth fine lines and crow's feet for fresher, brighter looking eyes. Okay, that sounds amazing if it actually works. I've tried tons of this kind of stuff, guys, and I gotta say, I'm not impressed with anything so far. Here's what it looks like. And this little guy will probably last a little while, though. Ooh, that smells funny. Most stuff smells good. This smells like straight medicine. Interesting. Maybe it does work. It stinks. So a lot of things that stink work well. We'll have to see how it goes. I'll definitely let you guys know. And the last thing they included in here, oh, we get some conditioner to go with our little shampoo. You know, here it is, before I go on a rant. Here's the conditioner. But the thing is I use more conditioner than I do shampoo, but they always send you more shampoo than they do conditioner. Why can't I get the little bottle of conditioner that looks like this and not get this? I'm just saying. That's just my personal opinion. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments below if you find that you use more conditioner than shampoo, but yet they always give you more shampoo. Just saying. So we'll take a quick look at this. This is the DD conditioner. The full-size version of this is $33. They sent me 0.41 fluid ounces, which is essentially one use. Just saying. So, soften and untangle hair without weighing it down with this gentle conditioner, ideal for daily use. And then it tells me how to use it. Of course, all conditioners need to be left on for 2 to 5 minutes. So, of course, this says it's for all hair types, which, like I just said, probably isn't true, but we'll have to see. I will give it a try. And guys, guess what? That wraps up everything in my box here. So what I'm going to do is total everything up, and I'll come back with final thoughts. Okay, guys, so I took the time to total all of that up, and then I just realized that I'm treating this box like it was my BoxyCharm or my selfie box where all of the products are full size. All the products are not full size in this box, so I'm not really sure what I was thinking, but the total value is $213 for those of you interested, but there's only 2 full-size products at most in this box, and that was probably the eyeshadow palette and the Luxie brush, so there you go. So, also, in today's video, for those of you that made it this far, I'm having a giveaway. So let's go ahead and jump into the items for today's giveaway. Okay, guys, as always, before I get started with the items included in this giveaway, I just want to make it very clear that YouTube is in no way involved or has anything to do with this giveaway at all. This is 100% on me, and I'm using items that I've either purchased myself or received in subscription boxes to use in this giveaway. And I just gotta say, guys, I like to do the better giveaways for the people that actually watch my videos and are true subscribers. So that's why I just like to pop in sometimes and let you guys know I'm doing a giveaway. Yesterday's giveaway was okay. Today's is better. So let's jump into it. First thing, we'll start small. I have another set of impressed nails. What's cool about these ones is they have these little designs that you can put on top of these nails. Or if you didn't want to use them on these nails, you can also use these designs on your real nails. Just saying. So there's options here. So we're going to go ahead and include this pack of impressed nails in today's giveaway. And the next thing I'm going to include, I don't know what brand this is, but it's a little set here. So we have a watch, we have a necklace, and then it comes with these little beautiful stud earrings. These are so pretty, guys. Looks like the watch is dead. Just saying, you're probably going to need one of those little flat batteries to put in there. But it's a fully functional watch. This is a new item. Clearly, I've never used it. So here it is. This is also part of today's giveaway. And then I am also going to include this Pixie Skin Treats Rose Oil Blend. I don't know what box I got this in. I believe it was BoxyCharm. I know I will never use it. Full disclosure, I did open it during the video. I smelled it, but I did not touch the inside contents in any way, shape, or form. Just want to be 100% transparent on that. So this will be in today's giveaway as well. And the last thing in today's giveaway is this little purse. So awesome. It's a really cute purse. I love it. The value of the purse is $58. I got this purse in my FabFitFun starter box that I got for my mom, and neither one of us will ever use it. So it has a strap here. So it could be crossbody or shoulder purse. It is Summer and Rose is the people who make the purse. Not sure if you can see that in there. But yeah, brand new purse, value of $58. So we have the purse. We have the Rose Oil Blend by Pixie. We have the little set of the watch, the necklace, and the earrings. And then the cool little fun set of impressed nails. So all of that will be in today's giveaway. And normally I limit this to those of you just in the United States, but this is going to be a pretty small box, so I'm okay sending this overseas. So I'm going to open this one up to everybody. So I'm going to include my international subscribers in this giveaway. So if you're interested in this giveaway, I'm watching my nieces and nephews today, as I said in another video. So yesterday's video, I had you say hello to my nieces. So today, I want you to say hello to my nephews. So put in the comments below, hello Jordan and Levi, to let me know that you're interested in this giveaway and you would like to be entered. So again, their names are Jordan and Levi. Just make sure you say hello in some creative way in the comments below so that I know you're interested in the items in this giveaway. Okay, guys, I forgot again to say how long this contest was going to run for. This one is going to run from today, Sunday, October 18th, through Saturday, October 24th, and I will announce the winner on next Sunday, October 25th. I'll eventually get this right, guys, but let's move on. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. I have tons more fun DIYs coming up, lots more unboxings, and you don't want to miss any of that. So please make sure you've subscribed and click the notification bell. And as always, the giveaway is 100% for subscribers only. Just want to make that very clear. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you've hit the subscribe button and make sure you've clicked the notification bell so you don't miss any of the fun stuff I have going on here, and you won't miss the video that tells you whether or not you won this giveaway. So that's all I got for you guys today, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? Is my hair messed up? Ugh. I mean, I can't tell. It probably is, but it's fine. Let's just do it. Okay, guys. Ugh, I don't like my hair. All right, try it again. Nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it helpful or useful in... Wait, I have a giveaway. And then the Orb Feather Bomb Weightless Style. Why can't I talk?